View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Vroomy! Vroomy! They like to play. Bloom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelzy Family.
The Wheelzy family has come to the park for a stroll.
Wee-oh, beep, beep. Wee-oh, beep, beep. Oh, wow. What's this?
Bubble Mix! Lemonade with jelly balls.
Hooray! I'll take the blue ones.
Now it's time to add the lemonade.
Huh? Whoa! Vroomy, look.
And I want the purple ones!
It seems there are no purple balls.
I've got it all figured out.
Huh?
Broomy pours red balls into his sister's cup and covers them with blue lemonade.
Wow! Yum! And what if we mix them? Oh!
Uh-oh, isn't that too much? I wonder if Broomy will like it.
Another coin!
Broomy is also mixing all the flavors.
Kids, how many cups has that been, huh?
Just one? Better not to lie. Mama will get in a bad mood.
No, really, 1 cup! And another cup for Broomy, so we only had 2 cups!
2. Two.
I see. You'll go on the rides without me. I'll go with Ploomy. Wee-oh, beep, beep.
Wee-oh, beep, beep.
Wee-oh, beep, beep.
Wee-oh, beep, beep.
Train.
Wee-oh, beep, beep. Whoa, roller coasters. Faster, Vroomy. Wee-oh, beep, beep. Wee-oh, beep, beep. Wee-oh.
Wrong decision. The cars approach the height ruler. Vroomy and Broomy are tall enough. But Plume Boom is still too small.
Oops.
Oi! Plumey, it's good you're here. I can't find the right coin for the toy vending machine.
Toy machine?
Yes, there it is.
Plumey, how?
You even have a compartment for toys, and I only have a ladle.
Roller coasters are a very fast ride.
Do you want the same thing as me?
Seems like it. And round again.
Can you hold it?
I don't know.
No accidents happen.
There! Faster!
Oh.
The cars drank too much lemonade, so they really need the toilet.
I'm first! Hands!
Vroomy didn't wash her hands.
enough for today. Hurry up! Time to go home.
Yeah.
Plumey and Grandpa Ladle are at the toy vending machine. Inside are plastic eggs with surprises.
Grandpa Ladle, how do you pick the right egg?
Just by color. These eggs need to be grown in water. Until you put the eggs in water, you won't know who will hatch.
Then Plumey wants a yellow egg. Plumey is yellow.
Indeed.
Grandpa Ladle throws a coin into the machine and presses the yellow button.
Hey.
The machine gives Plumey a yellow egg with a surprise.
Oh, thank you.
Whoa!
What?
You've got an egg! And you're still here? Hurry up! Let's get home to grow a dinosaur!
The Wheelzy family is waiting for the bus at the stop.
Oh, a little egg! That's it! Tomorrow you'll wake up and something will have hatched
The egg grew all night. It got bigger and bigger. But no one heard it until it started cracking.
Whoa!
Oh, look, a crack! It just can't quite hatch out, can it? I have an idea. Up. Quick!
It worked. After falling from a height, the egg cracked open and a little yellow dinosaur hatched from it.
My dinosaur!
It's still growing. It's still growing.
Game over!
Oh, wow. It's not growing anymore.
Congratulations, Plumey. You raised a very well-behaved little dino.
View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Roomy! Roomy! They like to play. Bloom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelzy Family.
Today, the Wheelzy kids are having pasta with meat patties for lunch. Vroomy always takes a long time to eat spaghetti.
You'll never finish them. Look, it's tastier if you do this. And now me. Let's try it now. It's sweet. Oh. Ew, no! Spicy!
Sweet.
Huh? Guess the flavor!
Broomy and Vroomy have decided to have a Guess the Flavor competition.
A bunch of grapes. Strawberries. Lemon. Popcorn. Whoa, ketchup. Huh? We don't have this one. With chili. Cool. I'm absolutely sure you lose. No, you're the loser. I'm the best food taster in our family.
Oh dear. If the kids eat all those groceries, victory won't be sweet for anyone.
Our Guess the Flavor competition begins. Plumie, you're the judge. Hey, hey,
Broomy chose a pickle.
Salty. A pickle. Correct.
Vroomy gets the first point.
It's sweet. A cookie.
The score is 1-1.
I'm ready. It's sweet. Oh, it's sour. Ruby, that's not fair. Sweet, sour. Now it's my turn.
Oh no! Spicy chili sauce! Watch out, Broomy!
What?
What did you give me? I don't know. It's you who brought it. A dragon! Grandpa Little Dragon! Grandpa Little, I poisoned the food taster.
Did he taste this? That kind of fire needs to be put out with milk, not water.
With milk?
It's been known for a long time that milk and other dairy products fight the special chemical that makes peppers spicy.
Oh, what chemical?
That one burns.
What is it called?
You'll just forget it anyway.
I won't.
Fine. Capsaicin.
Capsaicin. We remembered it.
Good job. Also, remember that you shouldn't put food in your mouth if you don't know anything about it.
It was sweet corn and spicy burning pepper. Sweet, spicy, a draw.
View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Roomy! Roomy! They like to play. Boom Boom the baby drops something every day.
Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well.
The Wheelzy Family.
This is Mama Wheelzy. She's cooking tasty cakes. Who's this? It's Grandpa Ladle. These are cupcakes. Hey, who's that laughing? Let's see. It's Broomy and Broomy. They're watching funny cartoons.
A hamburger, please. One hamburger. Thank you. A salad, please. One salad. Ah, thank you. An apple juice, please. One apple juice. Thank you. An ice cream, please. One ice cream. Many thanks. A glass of water, please. Water.
Ha! Broomy and Vroomy are trying to copy the cartoon. Vroomy got a face full of hamburger. It's a pan of chips. Oh dear! Broomy, what did you do?
Whoops.
What happened? Kids, stop that, you little rascals.
But Grandpa, we're playing restaurants like in the cartoon. Yeah?
So, this is a restaurant, yes? And you're a customer. And you're the waiter. There are much better ways to play with food. Follow me. Let's find out who the best waiter is. Hey. This way.
Red versus blue.
Listen, you two waiters.
Yeah?
You must find some fruit. Here.
I'll find red fruit. And I'll find the blue fruit. Red fruit! Blue fruit. Red fruit! Blue fruit will win. I found a fruit. But pears are yellow.
Vroomy is looking for red fruit. She really wants to win this game. She can see orange fruit. And she can see yellow fruit. But she cannot see red fruit.
Hey, Plumie! Give me the raspberry!
Hey, Plumie. Your sister asked you for a raspberry. But we don't give people food that's already been in your mouth.
There aren't any blue fruit. Oh, blue? Broom, broom, hooray!
Okay, kids. Now let's go home. And clean up. Your mom is at home playing restaurants too. Come on.
Blue.
Yum, 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 yum,
Red.
A tasty cupcake.
Oh, my children love eating.